Bienvenidos a la palabra del día en español. Welcome to the Spanish word of the day. Today's word is the word jealous in Spanish with Mr. Brigs. So, before we watch this video, I would like to invite you to click that red button. I wanted to thank all my subscribers that have already clicked this red button, but if you have not, click that red button and join us. I upload videos daily. Muy bien, so this is how you say jealous in Spanish. If a male is jealous, you would say celoso. It ends with an O. If we are referring to a female, then it would be celosa. Celoso, celosa. That means jealous in Spanish. Celoso. 3 syllables. Pretty straightforward, very easy. Yo estoy celoso. I'm jealous. Yes, this is what this guy is telling himself. Yo estoy celoso. He wasn't very happy. Celoso means jealous. Yo estoy celoso. And we use the verb estar, which is temporary. Estoy. Yo estoy celosa. That's right, this girl is telling herself, yo estoy celosa. And don't forget, we're using the verb estar. That's why we say yo estoy. In the first person, the verb estar is estoy. I am. Yo estoy celoso. Yo estoy celosa. Check my set and start videos for more clarification. He is jealous. Él está celoso. Él está celoso. Él está celoso. Maybe the girl that he likes is right behind him dancing with another dude and he's not very happy. Él está celoso. Now, what's going on here? I think she's gossiping about someone. That's not nice. She's jealous. Ella está celosa. Ella está celosa. Ella está celosa. Muy bien, veamos algunos ejemplos. Let's see a few examples, but using the past tense. Don't forget to repeat after me. It's very important that you practice your pronunciation. Muy bien, ¿listos? He was jealous. Él estaba celoso. Él estaba celoso. Él estaba celoso. Él estaba celoso. We tend to join words together when we speak fast in Spanish, just like we do in English also. Ella estaba celosa. She was jealous. Ella estaba celosa. Ella estaba celosa. One more time. Ella estaba muy celosa. She was very jealous. Ella estaba muy celosa. If you add the muy word, you are actually saying she was very jealous. So let's revise. Celoso, that goes for males, and celosa, that applies to females. You can go through this video once again if you want to revise and practice your pronunciation. Please share my video with other people that may want to enhance their vocabulary. And once again, thank you so much to all of you that have subscribed. I really appreciate it. I'm working on some surprises that will be coming very soon. I will do also a quiz game to revise some of these words. Okay, my amigos, take care. Ciao, ciao. Adios.